Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to track location by phone number. The best way for Android users in use Google Find My Device feature. Make sure it enable on the target phone. Go to google.com/android/find in your browser. Log in with the Google account link to the target phone. Once you are logged in, you will see device's last known location on the map, along with options like play sounds and secure device. To ensure this works, go to the phone settings, search Find My Device and make sure it's turned on.